we will be graphing number 6. So first, let's graph f prime using f. To graph f prime, you would first start by finding where the x-intercepts are. Where f has maximums and minimums will be where the slope of the tangent line is 0. Therefore, those x values will be the x-intercepts on the graph of f prime. At the point of inflection on the graph of f, we see that the slope of the tangent line will be at its most negative value. So therefore, at that x value, there will be a minimum on the graph of f prime. When the graph of f is increasing right here and here, the graph of f will be above the x-axis since the slopes of the tangent lines are positive. When the graph is decreasing here, the graph of f prime will be below the x-axis because the slope of the tangent line is negative. We also see here that the slopes of the tangent lines are approaching 0, so the graph of f prime will also be approaching 0. On the right, the slope of f starts to get bigger and bigger, so f prime will also increase as drawn here. We can see that the graph of f is a cubic function, so the derivative of that will be a quadratic function. To graph f double prime from f prime, we see that there is a minimum here, because the slope of the tangent line is 0. This means that the graph of f double prime at this point would be on the x-axis. F double prime will be below the x-axis, where f prime is decreasing and has a negative slope. And f double prime will be above the x-axis, where f prime is increasing and has a positive slope. Because f prime is a quadratic function, f double prime will be a linear function.